In this tutorial, we will cover how to migrate data from a SQL Server to SharePoint using Ouvvi. In Ouvvi, go to Settings, Connection Library, Add Connection, and choose the SQL Client Connection option. Enter in the connection name, a description if you wish, the server name, then enter the database you wish to connect to. Click Save, and this will take you back to your connection library. Go Add Connection, SharePoint, add the connection name, enter a description if you want to, and then enter the site URL. Enter in user credentials and press Save. Now we'll create our project. Go to Projects, New, enter in a title, enter in a description, and press Save. Now we need to add our data sync step. Go to Add Step, More, Data Sync Project, enter in a title, change the retry count if you wish, and also enter in a description if you wish. Then press Save. Now we need to open our data sync project. Go to the connection tree on the left of the window. This contains the connections we saved earlier. Open the SQL connection and drag and drop the desired table onto the data source A. Then go to Tools, Create SharePoint List, and fill in the required details such as the SharePoint connection and the name of the list to be created. Press OK and the list will be generated. Once this has been loaded, go to Compare A to B and we can see that we have 91 records to be added. If we look at the title bar of this window, we can see it's connected to our Ouvvi URL. Now save the project and we'll return to Ouvvi. In Ouvvi, go to Projects, then select your project, and then choose Start Project. This will now run the data sync step. Once it has successfully run, click on the last run date timestamp to take you to the log. Here we can see 91 rows have been added. By clicking on this, we can see a preview of the data. Now, if we go to the SharePoint site and refresh the page, we can see that the list has been created. If we drill into this, we can see that the data we previewed earlier has been added.